Hello and welcome back for another Bitcoin price prediction update. And in this video, I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the 1 hour chart by first giving you my micro Elliot wave count here on the BTC chart, where you can see that after seeing our low on the 15th of June, we started these massive bounce to the upside in a move that has been very impulsive, where I've been tracking a 5-wave structure on the charts, where I'm terming these as the wave 1. Then we saw a corrective structure in that wave 2, then a wave 3, then a wave 4, and there are chances that we might have now put in place the high for that wave 5 to the upside, completing a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, and getting to see whether the third wave over here has done the minimum that we expect a wave 3 to the upside to do by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. The minimum target area for that wave 3 is the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $26.7 mark, which is an area that we have fully maximized. And if I extend these Fibonacci's to the high of that wave 3, I can get a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 at the fib level 1.6, the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $27.39 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 5 to the upside to do here on the BTC chart. And as a result of that, since we have not fully maximized that target area, I have two possible scenarios that can play out here on the BTC chart. And the first one is that BTC can give us one more high in the formation of this wave 5, fully maximizing the fib level 0.618 at around the $27.39 mark, and give us one more high in the formation of that wave 5. And once that plays out, then we can term this 5-wave move to the upside as a larger Elliot wave count 1. And then from that point, we can expect an ABC corrective structure to play out. That is the first scenario that we can expect here on the BTC chart. The second one is that maybe there are chances that BTC is not going to give us one more high in the formation of that wave 5, and the high that we have at around the $27.12 mark is the high for that wave 5. And if that is the case, then there are chances that BTC soon might give us a bit of a breakdown move in this ABC corrective structure in what we can term as a larger Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side. And if that plays out, then we can have areas on the Fibonacci's that we need to keep our eyes on, which I can get by connecting the fibs from the low of the 15th, the low that we made on the 15th of June to that high at around the $27.2 mark, giving me a target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts like that. So there are chances that in case we see further breakdown on the charts, we could see this ABC corrective structure play out, getting into this red target area, where we can expect BTC to then give us another turnaround to the upside in an impulsive move to the upside in what we can term as the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. So those are the two possible scenarios that I'm expecting on the short-term point of view, where we could either get one more high in the formation of this wave 5, or we can just get a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 2. And since we don't have confirmations that the high for that wave 5 is in, there is a high likelihood that we are still going to get one more high in the formation of that wave 5 before we can break down in the formation of this wave 2. And that is what I'm expecting on the long-term point of view. If I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and to give you the long-term point of view here on the BTC chart, you can see that after seeing our December lows, BTC gave us a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $31 mark, $31,000 mark, completing the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1. Then afterwards, we started breaking down in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2. Minimum target areas for that second wave, we can find them by connecting the Fibonacci's from the December lows to that high at around the $31,000 mark, giving me a minimum target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we have managed to get into the area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.5. And since on the lower time frame we are seeing a 5 wave move to the upside, there are chances that this could be the low for that second wave, and BTC has now started another impulse to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. So after seeing the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, I'm expecting that larger Elliott wave count 3. And there are chances that in case this 5 wave move that I've shown you on the lower time frame is complete, we get an ABC corrective structure and then continue gearing up in another 5 wave move to the upside, then see a break above significant highs and a break above the $31,000 mark. That will be enough confirmation that we are back into an impulsive move in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. Minimum target areas above the $40,000 mark, and that is what I'm expecting here on the BTC chart. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the 4-hour chart, we are trading at around the 61 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.